And the best part is we have a special discount for you if you want to buy Cypherock hardware wallets. Hello crypto family, welcome back to CryptoTubes. I'm a host Paras, and in today's video I bring you crypto hardware wallets like this one, which is very much necessary for you if you want to save your tokens securely away from the eyes of crypto scammers. So this is the best option to save your tokens. And in this video, if you are someone from India looking to buy such wallets or looking to buy hardware wallets like Ledger Nano S, Trezor, or even Cypherock, you need to watch this video completely, because today I will tell you which website you can buy it from and without paying any import duty. Yes, you can buy these devices without paying any import duty or import tax as compared to ordering internationally. Also, I will take you through the new wallets which has been launched within India, and that comes with a discount especially for the Indian and the international users. So please watch this video till the end as I uncover each and every detail about hardware wallets. Now before I start, remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and remember to join the Telegram by clicking the link shared in the description of this video. I share latest crypto pumps, crypto pre-sales, crypto airdrop and information like this one, especially on the Telegram community. So join it by clicking the link shared in the description. Now let's talk about hardware wallets. Now in front of me you can see a lot of wallets. You have Trezor, you have SafePal, you have Ledger, you have Ledger NFT wallet, then you have a lot of other wallets in picture. Now the thing is, for the Indian users, buying a hardware wallet is a tough task because not many wallets are available within India. You need to order internationally, and the problem is we don't know how many days it will take for this wallet to arrive. So that's the biggest problem that we are facing right now, until I found a solution for it. Now the solution is you need to go to one simple website which has a lot of wallets to offer, which are popular like Ledger, Trezor, SafePal. You can buy such wallets on one single website. Moreover, this is an Indian specific website. You can buy from it by clicking the link in the description. Let me just show you in front of the screen. This is the website, which is etherbit.in. It is specifically for Indian users. If you are someone living in India, you may want to use this website to order your hardware wallet. The link is shared in the description. You can check all the prices of the devices which are shared in Indian rupees, and best part is you don't have to pay any import fee or import duty because these are readily available within India and it will be delivered within few days of ordering. Like you can see here on top, you have wallets option, Trezor, Ledger, SafePal, Trezor, merge, and of course you can click any of this link. Let's say I click Ledger, and in that I get a lot of options regarding Ledger wallet which I am going to buy, like Ledger Nano S, X, Ledger Stacks, and likewise. So you can choose and purchase from this website, and moreover, like I said, you don't have to pay any import duty or any fee if you buy from this website, and you will get the device securely. So this is one part. Now the thing is that we have a lot of hardware wallets. Of course, I use this Ledger wallet, but I also use this new wallet which I just bought from within India, which is this one. It is called as Cypherock. Cypherock is the first seed phrase free crypto hardware wallet. Yes, this is also available within India. Now the best part of this wallet is you don't have to worry about remembering seed phrase. It can do all the work for you. How? Just click on the link above to watch the video about Cypherock X1 hardware wallet, where the creators of this wallet share their experience, how they created it, and the best part is it is available within India, and again you don't have to pay any import duty to buy this wallet. And the best part is we have a special discount for you if you want to buy Cypherock hardware wallet. So this is the website of Cypherock. It is cypherock.com, and if you go to its main page, which means if you go to the get your Cypherock X1 by going to the website, you will get a buy link, and there is a special coupon which is running right now that gives you a flat 17% discount if you buy this wallet. So click on buy now, and once I click on buy now, it will ask me coupon. So let me just show you how the coupon is working. The link is shared in the description of this video, so if you want to check out this wallet, you can always do so. Use this promo code CryptoTubes17 and click apply. Once you click apply, it will give you flat 17% discount on this hardware wallet. So this is for the Indian users and the international users. Moreover, it is totally duty free. So this is the detail I would like to share with my Indian users, especially because they are planning to buy hardware wallet but they don't know where to buy it. So I have the answer for you. Go to Etherbit, go to Cypherock, order it today. I am in touch with the team of Cypherock. So if you have any question, you can comment below and I will directly pass on the message to them. And moreover, if you want to buy Ledger, Trezor, you have the link. Just click on the link in the description and get your favorite wallet. So that's how you can buy any hardware wallet within India without paying extra charges, especially duty free, and get it on time. So that's about the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do remember to subscribe and press the bell icon if you like the video, and also remember to join my Telegram community. I'll see you in a new video with a new content about cryptocurrency. So do subscribe. Till then, take care and have a nice day.